What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove a radio, the radio from a 2014 Chevy Malibu or 2013 Chevy Malibu and up all the way up to 2016 Limited. All right, so what we need to do first is we need to grab a prying tool. You don't have to use a screwdriver, but we're using a screwdriver, and try to pry it all the way around, and it's gonna unclip just like that. And then, so with the faceplate removed, you're gonna expose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws, and you're going to need a 7mm socket just like this to get them out. So hit them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever, put them somewhere safe. And then the next step is going to be you're going to open the screen and you are going to try and pry out this middle piece first. Or is it this one first? Well, you can get this one out of the way, just prying it out just like that. There's going to be a sensor that you can unclip if you want. And then, hold on, because it's kind of locked right here. Yeah, it's kind of locked, but you gotta pull hard on that side. That's gonna come off. All right, so just like that, it's kind of clipped in there, so it's gonna be hard. It's this metal clips right here, so you may want to use a screwdriver and pry it from this side and pry it from the other, and then we get to unplug it right here. All right, just like that. Move it out of the way. Now this one, same thing, is going to be held in by a couple of screws, so be sure you can take those out, and you have access to your screen.
Yes.
Oh no, you have access to this box, and you also have access to your screen, so whichever one you need to replace. There you go. Going from the old one to the new one, how to replace the radio box on your Chevy Malibu or your screen, because your screen, you can still pull it out from here. All right, pull it out just like that and unplug it from the back. And the installation is the same thing in reverse. So we're gonna put this back. All right, everything lines up on the side, so don't worry about not lining it up, okay? And if you may have to stretch out some of these parts, but we're gonna go ahead and fast forward that, okay? Right, so to put it back in, just slide it in reverse. Make sure that these line up. Jesus. There you go. Make sure those line up right there. And then we'll put them back together. The middle one goes in first before you put this one. So we're gonna get this one back, plug it back in, and then get your screws in. And ta-da! Let's get this one. Just put it right here. So repeat the process, and then we're good to go. All right, so continue with your screws. The secondary part, and then put that part first before you put the bottom one in. Tighten both up. And slide this on, just like that. Same thing with your screws. One right here, and the other one on the other side. All right, with all the screws already go ahead and put in, we're just gonna put our trim back on, and the job's finished, baby. We're gonna finish where we came from. Ta-da! It worked.